The Crisanto Guy Psycho Memorial Elementary School was founded in the second decade of the 19th century, formerly known as the Carlan Elementary School. It was renamed Crisanto Guy Psycho Memorial Elementary School in the early 60s in memory of civic-spirited citizen of the community who donated a part of the land where the school stands. For so many decades, the school has been an achiever that's only in the division, region, but also in the national levels. The school had gained respect from the different districts for always on top of things. The school had a very good reputation in the division of Laguna for such achievement. The Phil-Erie results alarmed all the school faculty for having a great number of non-readers, specifically grade 2 pupils. Quality education is what we always want to achieve in our teaching-learning situation inside the classroom. In teaching reading, we had utilized different techniques, strategies, and approaches, but still, we failed. It is for this reason that the CIP team came up with a Project Ladder to eradicate the non-readers and to continuously uplift the quality education that the school provides. The CI team showed the different materials and instruments like guidelines, timetables, monitoring sheets, activity sheets, and evaluation sheets that the teacher will use as they start doing the intervention program. On the 26th of November, 32 identified non-readers in grade 2 were gathered in the school library. Their advisors were all set to implement the reading intervention program entitled TRIP, designed by the CIs. They were armed by the Fuller lesson given by the CIs and their prepared devices which will capture the interest of their pupils. The team decided to let the reading intervention program be conducted in their own classrooms to bring focus to the designed lessons and to achieve full management of the class. 6 weeks were designed for this reading intervention program and is hoped to achieve at least 75% non-readers in grade 2. Now, our customers can laugh and communicate with the group as on what they have read, can immediately pick up, select, and enjoy books or pleasure habit, can show the smile in their faces with ease and confidence once a reading material is offered, can be one of our determined English readers.
Celebrate Riding Hood learned her lesson that she must always listen to her mother's advice. Ang galing ko na, di ba po? Ngayon, masaya kong nababasa ang gusto kong basahin. Salamat po sa Reading Intervention Program na TRIP ng aming paaralan. Sana po ay magpatuloy pa ang programang ito para sa kabutihan naming mag-aaral.
Magandang araw po. Ako po ang mother ni Christopher Joseph Kini na nagre-remedial sa klase ni Mrs. Lorna Brul. Bilang isang mother po ng anak na nagre-remedial, malaki ang improvement po ng aking anak. Kung na po siya nagkaroon ng interest sa pagbabasa at sa pagsusulat at ayaw niya na din po na uma-attend, nangihinayag na siya sa mga oras kapag siya ay hindi nakaka-attend ng kanyang remedial classes.
Sa totoo lang, nung una, negative ang dating sa akin niya. Kasi parang ang dating sa akin, kung kailan ako magre-retire, nagkaroon pa ako ng non-reader. Pero habang dumadaan ang mga araw, habang ang mga bata nakikita na kung nagkakaroon ng improvement, medyo gumagana ang kalooban ko, natutuwa na ako.